Looking for something quick and of course tasty to prepare for lunch for you and a friend? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with shrimp and veggie pasta salad. So let's get started. Let's cook the pasta. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. Now let's prepare the shrimp. See the full recipe below for the pan searing option. Now let's prepare the dressing. I'm gonna taste the dressing, and it's perfect. Let's build the dish. Feel free to use your favorite veggies. Pasta salad is believed to have originated in Italy during the 16th century, where it was known as insalata di pasta. Pasta salad has evolved into a popular dish worldwide, especially in the US, where variations are served at barbecues and picnics. Let's get a portion on a plate. That looks really good. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While the grilled shrimp are fork tender, the pasta is cooked al dente, adding a firm texture that balances the softness of the shrimp. The earthy goodness of the vegetables is a welcome addition alongside the citrus brightness and tanginess of the dressing, elevating the overall flavor profile. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one amazing lunch for two. Stay with us, watch another video.